This video is brought to you by Westpac Lifestyle, but more on them later.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel where we organize and make things beautiful. I'm Des and this is Sort and Style. Guys, today I thought it would be a good idea if we could maybe dispel some of those cleaning hacks that are going around. I thought, let's give them a try and see if they really do work or not, and do like a Mythbusters episode type thing and see if we bust that hack or not. So let's go and give it a try. Oh, I moved it. Apparently, if you put shaving cream on your mirror, it stops your mirror from fogging up and steaming up with the steam of the shower. Let's see if that actually does work. Okay, I'm gonna do one side only, but that's a lot. Okay, I'll do like a little bit. Oh, don't break now. Okay. Is this how you're supposed to do it? Oh shit. So apparently the glycerin in the shaving cream creates like this protective layer, and that's what stops it from fogging up. So we're just going to give this a wipe down and we'll see if it works. You kind of want to clean in an S motion, guys. That's like the best way. I'm gonna get. Remember I told you about these cloths? They really do work. Okay, so the mirror's nice and clean, and yeah, my love.
Shall I make a reservation?
Yeah, you can. Thanks.
What are you doing with my shaving cream?
Nothing. Have you showered?
Not just yet.
Do you want to shower?
In a bit.
Can you shower now?
Okay.
Thanks, buddy. Okay, so let's do that again before we were interrupted. So the mirror is nice and clean, and we're now gonna see if it works or not. This side has cleared up a lot more than that side. So I'm gonna show you that now. But I remembered another hack because I was wearing my robe. I thought, I can tell you another one, which I don't know if it's a hack, but we'll see. So you know how we all tie our robes like that? We have the string go around from the back. That's actually not how you're supposed to tie it. You're supposed to tie it by taking that one like that from the front, like pulling it and then tying like that, and it's supposed to be tighter, and it is actually tighter. It's like tighter up here as well. So this one is approved. So here you'll see this is actually much better than this side. You see? Let me know what you think. Maybe try it out. I think I still smell like vinegar. Goodness gracious. Our next hack is treating the dreaded shower head. You know how the shower head always gets those watermarks, and every now and then your shower starts water squirting, you know, on that side, the other one's going over the shower, the other one's hitting you in the eye, and it's just not a good vibe. That is hard water buildup. Apparently, to treat that, you get a Ziploc bag, fill it with vinegar, and you put the bag over the shower head and let it sit for a while, overnight or whatever, and then apparently it takes it all away. And we're going to give that a try and see if that works. That's gross. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you my shower. It's quite gross. Let me see anything. And let's see on the top there. Wow. Well, hopefully this vinegar thing works. Let's give it a try. Okay. Oh. How am I supposed to do this? Oh, shit. Okay. Just leave that there. I'm gonna change. I'd just like to take a moment to thank the sponsor of this video, Westpac Lifestyle. Everything that you need for your cleaning endeavors, you can get at a Westpac Lifestyle store. Let's get back to the video. Okay, I'm back. Guys, you know what? I'm not going to be stupid about this. I'm actually going to take that shower head off. Like duh. Okay. Smell like vinegar now. Okay, so I've just got the shower head in a Ziploc bag with some vinegar in it, and I'm gonna leave it overnight and see tomorrow morning how that comes out. Oh, I really do smell like vinegar. Okay, so I'm also going to take a microfiber cloth and just soak that in vinegar and then wrap it around the bar, and then that will also just apparently take the water stains off, and we'll see if that works. We'll see. Okay, the next hack is, you know, your toothpaste holder. Sometimes it gets really gross inside if you don't clean it out. Well, simple way to do that, to clean that out, is just to put it in the dishwasher. Okay guys, so the last thing I want to show you is not really a hack, but it's quite a good idea. And if it works, then I think it's a game changer and your guests are going to think you're amazing. So what it is you take the humble toilet paper and we're just going to fold it. We're just going to fold it by, and then you'll see it looks like that. It comes in with a point. But to make it extra cool, what you're going to do is you're just going to quickly switch your tap on and off again so that the faucet is a bit wet. and then you're gonna kind of like stamp the toilet paper with the tap. How cool is that? That is a very cool idea. It's kind of like embossed, and that's the coolest idea ever. I love that. Okay, so guys, so apparently your vinegar is not supposed to sit overnight. It's just like an hour or so. So we're gonna check it out, see if it actually came clean. I can already tell. Yeah, okay. This hack works. It works. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like. A little bit of watermarks. If you just use a little bit of elbow grease, it will come out easily. So I think it works. Might help not standing right underneath it. Okay. So that one has actually worked, and you'll see like where the cloth was wrapped, it's a lot brighter and shinier than where it wasn't. So I'm gonna actually say that this hack actually works compared to groceries. Yeah, so I think it's safe to say that hack works. You guys can try put vinegar on your shower head and it will come clean. Who knew? Guys, I'm so excited. Like my water is now actually coming out super straight. Let me show you. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you got some good ideas. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and ring that bell and enjoy your cleaning. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye. Really good.